This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So one thing, guys, for new guys, please don't send unnecessary messages. That too within 1 minute. See, like start the class, not it, no. So basically, sometimes it may take 5 minutes also. Maybe technical problem, okay, or else laptop problem, right? If class is not there or any issue, definitely I will inform you. Okay, so please don't send unnecessary message, especially personally. You guys, they are pinging me privately. Sir, class is there. What is the link? Class started. So how can I reply this many people individually, right, guys? I can't, right? Even don't send unnecessary message in group also. Same link until I update. You don't need to wait for the link. You no need to wait for the class. If class is not there, definitely I will inform you. Okay, na. So prior notice only I will give. Maybe if at all some issue at the time of at least meeting, I will inform. Wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Don't send any message. Even after 10 minutes, if you didn't get any update, then only just one person is enough. Class is there. Again, don't send everybody, 10 people like class is there, class is there, class is there. What's the meaning in that? Please, guys, don't do that, okay? So, yeah, because I'll be in hurry in joining the class. Maybe sometimes credentials may not work. So, there could be so many technical problems sometimes. Please understand, don't send messages, okay, in any group, especially personally. Privately, don't send messages, please. Minimum 4, 5 people pinged me today. Personally, sir, class is there, sir, class is there. Oh, I can't reply you guys personally. Okay, yeah, that's my just personal request. Okay, so let's start, guys. So, Avinash, are you ready with the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. I'm giving control to you. So please practice more, guys. It is in your hand only, not my hand, because everything we don't cover in class. As I told, if I give one example, you have to work on minimum 10 examples to get more clarity. Okay. So yesterday we spoke about text processing tool. Find, grep, head, tail, sort also completed, right? So next we have other text processing tools.
This conference will now be recorded.
Completed, sir.
Can you please open the notepad also? And everybody, guys, please save the link, okay? Because it's the same link and generally for 15 days. Okay, we
Yeah,
don't.
actually, Amar, I changed the number, so that's why I just requested.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
same. But not only you, sometimes even you guys
Okay.
regularly they use to ask. So I said like that. Okay. Yeah. So where are we? And we are at sort. Can you please open the putty session? Yeah. So guys, as I told, as name states that sort means sorting the order. It can be like alphabets or else numerics. Okay, example, can you make it numbers randomly, line by line? Don't go with one. No, no, not like that. In disorder, maybe somewhere 600, then 300, like that. Yeah. Hmm. Completely go with disorder like this. Even minus numbers also. Guys, every tool is important. Every class is important. Practice more number of times. Only that helps you. So few guys they used to ask, sir, can we survive after this class? Something like that. Okay, so definitely. But when only simply going with class won't help you at all. Okay, you have to practice more. Yeah, minus numbers also. Minus numbers also. Avinash, make it minus numbers, -2, -5, like that.
Did not understand, sir.
Add minus numbers also. -1,
Okay.
-10, like this. Yeah. Now save this file. Okay. Now make it sort. So example sort number 5. So guys, if it is number, actually directly it won't work out. So we have to see -9, -6 are very small. Okay, now. So we have to give basically -n. Okay, now. So how sort will work for numbers means, see, it is taking the first digits. It doesn't know about the second digit or third digit. So actually 45 is smaller than 400, right? But it is taking, see, first digit, then second digit order it is taking. 40 is taking instead of 45. Okay, now. So you have to give -n option. If it is alphabets, directly you can give. Okay, now, no problem. But if it is number we have to give hyphen n. As I told, sort we can use in two ways for, so not only sort, any text processing tool we can use in two ways. This is also correct, this is also correct. For numbers, sorry, for files, guys, head also, tail also, grep also, any except find కాకుండా మిగిలిన ఏదైనా సరే two ways లో both are same. See, okay, so this is how we can use sort command. So sort will, by using that we can sort the lines right now. To sort the lines based on alphabets and number, to use this. Okay, so next, unique. As name states that unique command is to remove the
Sir,
duplicate. Yes,
sorry for interruption. So sort has happened in ascending order, right? Sir, can we also do it in descending order as well?
yes, we can do that. We have one option for that. Okay, let's take it as a task. Okay, so we can do that.
Okay, sir.
We have an option for that. So I given now hyphen n, right, for numbers alphabet. Okay, so we can do with reverse order also, the same thing. So what is R? What is reverse? So reverse means R. So actually hyphen R is the option for that. Okay, so no problem. So maybe I'll give one more task in sort command. Generally, sort command will read the first line, first field only with number or alphabet, anything. Okay. So my requirement is I want to I want to sort based on the second letter or second digit. Is it possible? Or second word? Okay, now always it will take the first word or first letter. Okay, na? And my concept is I want to make based on the second word. So let's assume that. Can you make it 5 or 6 names like this? Each line 2 names. Anything, any names. Okay, yeah. So now my question is, I want to make it based on this one. Okay, now so I want to make a ascending. Yeah, now save this. Wait. Okay, so always it will take based on first word only, first word, first character, right? My concept is I want to make it based on the second character, second word or second character. Okay, second word అనుకోండి. సో సెకండ్ వర్డ్ బేస్ చేసుకొని సెకండ్ కాలం బేస్ చేసుకొని స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? Start the lines based on the second character, maybe second word. Okay, second, did you understand my question, guys? Guys, నా క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ఆల్రెడీ దీని ఆన్సర్ చెప్పేసాను. if and r is the option with sort command. Okay, now unique command. So we can remove adjacent duplicates. Okay, so can you make a file with names, random names, any names in just zigzag order, లైన్ ఏదో ఒక పేర్లు, ఒక 20 పేర్లు ఇవ్వు, నేమ్స్ ఇవ్వు, ఏదైనా పర్లేదు.
You can give megastar, power star, superstar. You can write it many things.
Yes, anything you can write.
Adi, Balakrishna, Pawan Kalyan, Chiranjeevi. Right.
Okay, duplicates also, duplicate names also, మళ్ళీ రాసినవి రాయండి. Duplicates also. Okay, now save this file. Okay, now, so guys, by directly if you give unique, see, still duplicates are there. Megastar 2 times, Mahesh 2 times, superstar 2 times, right? So what we do first, sort. First we will make it sort. Okay, we can make it sort, then unique. See, first sort చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? You will get in some ascending or descending order. Okay, so all duplicates will be in a side by side. Okay, let me run one by one. Okay, see, now all side by side. Megastar 2 times, Pradeep 2 times, Satish 2 times. Now if I do unique, if I send that output to unique command, see, now duplicate. Okay, so this is out. So in this way you can remove the duplicates. ఎప్పుడైనా ఇట్లాంటి అవసరం వచ్చినప్పుడు, if any case this scenario comes in, we use this. Okay, we can remove the adjacent duplicates. Yeah, next. Okay, next is sed, SED. So guys, in normal text file, Windows, how do you replace the words? Example, exclude word is there. I want to replace entire file. Exclude word in Windows. How do you do that?
Find and replace అన్నారు.
Something control R, I think so. Control R will use. Same command. SED will do the same thing. Search and replace. Okay. Search and replace. By using sed command, we can search and replace the keywords without opening the file. Example, cat file 2. Okay. This file only. This file I have. Now SED -i. So SED తో ఒక బెనిఫిట్ ఏంటంటే వై రన్నింగ్ ద కమాండ్ యూ కెన్ నాట్ ఓన్ ఇప్పటివరకు రన్ చేసిన కమాండ్స్ ఏవి మన ఫైల్స్ ని అప్డేట్ చేయలేదు. ఓన్లీ అవుట్పుట్ ఇక్కడ మాత్రమే టెంపరీలీ ఇట్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ ఇన్ ద అవుట్పుట్. అంతే తప్ప ఫైల్ ని అప్డేట్ చేయలేదు. చూడండి, ఫైల్ కంటెంట్ అలాగే ఉంది ఇప్పటి వరకు. Like if I use start command, if I use unique command, if I use head command, tail command, ఎక్కడ కూడా ఫైల్ అప్డేట్ అవ్వలేదు నాకు. ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ మాత్రమే నాకు కావాల్సిన విధంగా వచ్చింది. బట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ ఓపెన్ ద ఫైల్, స్టిల్ ద సేమ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఐ హ్యావ్. ఒరిజినల్ డేటానే ఉంది. ఒరిజినల్ డేటా ఓన్లీ ఇస్ దేర్. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ మై ఫైల్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ అప్డేటెడ్ విత్ క్యాట్, ఐ మీన్ విత్ టైల్, హెడ్, సార్ట్, యూనిక్. నాకు అవుట్పుట్ లో మాత్రమే నాకు కావాల్సిన విధంగా అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చింది. బట్ ఫైల్ డేటా మాత్రం అలాగే ఉంది. దిస్ ఫైల్ డేటా ఇస్ స్టిల్ సేమ్. బట్ విత్ సెడ్ కమాండ్ ఈవెన్ వీ కెన్ డూ దట్ ఇన్ కమాండ్ వైల్ రన్నింగ్ ద కమాండ్. ఇట్స్ సెడ్ కమాండ్ రన్ చేస్తే నీకు ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ లోనే కాదు, ఫైల్ లోపల కూడా అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది. అవుట్పుట్ రాదనుకోండి, sed -i /old keyword. Okay, example, I want to search Umar. Okay, Amar is the new keyword. GI file name. So guys, this is also correct. What is the another way for text processing tools, guys? Text processing tools ki inko way enti? Now how can I run the same thing in one more way? Please give me the syntax. Already I showed you today also. Where command ki? Give me the same command. Cat file name pipe
Grep said
hyphen. సో ఇదైనా ఒకటే, ఓ సారీ సార్, ఐఫోన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఇలా ఇవ్వలేమైతే. సారీ, సెడ్ కు కూడా వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు. సెడ్ అండ్ ఫైండ్ బోత్ won't work out for that. Okay, we have to give like this only. సెడ్ అయితే s/umar/amar/gi ఫైల్ నేమ్. ఓకే, సో ఎందుకంటే ఫైల్ డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఆ ఫైల్లో అప్డేట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి. ఓకే, హియర్ వాట్ ఈజ్ -i? సో వాట్ ఈజ్ -i మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ ఈ So guys, to save into the file. So what you are doing here, you are searching Umar, you are replacing with Amar in this file. సో అది సేవ్ అవ్వాలి నీకు ఇక్కడ రావాలంటేనేమో ఐఫోన్ ఐ తీసేయాలి. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ షో యూ వితౌట్ ఐఫోన్ ఐ. ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ యూజ్ ఐఫోన్ ఐ, ఓకేనా, ఇట్ విల్ జస్ట్ షో యూ ఇన్ ద కమాండ్ లైన్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ లో చూపిస్తుంది. ఇట్ వోంట్ అప్డేట్ ఇన్ టు ద ఫైల్. ఈ ఫైల్లో అప్డేట్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా, ఇట్ వోంట్ అప్డేట్ ఇన్ ద ఫైల్. So if you open the file now, you can see the same data. I mean, see here Umar is replaced with Amar, right? But let's see in the file, it's still with Umar only because I haven't used hyphen I. Okay, now let me use hyphen I. Now it will update in the file. Hyphen I is to save the file here with sed command with a new output. Now Umar will be changed with Amar. See, without opening the file, I search and replaced Umar. Okay, now what is GI? S means string. Okay, so what is GI? Guys, assume that maybe it's not a single word. Maybe you have multiple words in each line. Number of lines unnai naku. I have number of lines with multiple words. Okay, na Pradeep ane kaadu. So it's a sentence. Like Amar is from Hyderabad. Amar is my trainer. Amar staying in Hyderabad. Okay, here assume that Amar keyword is there in maybe few lines has 2 times. Few lines lo 2 times undi Amar anedi. Amar is from Hyderabad anundi. Amar is from Hyderabad. Maybe by mistake ana, like something intentionally or someone keep that. Okay, now your requirement is you want to replace all Amars into Umar into Amar. G means global. Guys, generally sed command ఏం చేస్తుందంటే sed command will read every line one time only. అంటే first time, okay, maybe let me do like this. I'll show you practically. Okay, so see here, few lines has Amar 2 times, only here 1 time. Okay, now save this. కొన్ని lines లో 2 times ఉంది. If I don't use GI, what will if I don't use G, what will happen? సో ఏం జరిగింది? ఓ సారీ, రైట్. Example, Amar I want to change with Umar. Okay, what happened guys? G వాడకపోతే ఏం జరిగింది?
Only first word is getting modified.
Every line ఒకటేసారి రీడ్ చేస్తుంది. Only one time it will read and the first occurrence will be changed. It will go to next line. Here again Amar word ఉందా? First time ఎన్నిసార్లు ఉన్నా నాకు అనవసరం. And how many times Amar word is there in this line doesn't matter. Only one time it will change, first occurrence. Every line the same way. See here also, only first Amar it is changed with Umar. Second Amar it won't touch. That is what G. G means global. It will read n number of times. అంటే ఎన్నిసార్లు అమర్ ఉంటే అన్ని చేంజ్ చేస్తుంది ప్రతి లైన్ లో. Did you understand what is G now? గైస్ జీ అంటే అర్థమైందా గ్లోబల్. సో I means case sensitive. So example, maybe in your file you have Amar small letter, capital letter, doesn't matter. I ఇచ్చావనుకో, if you give I, it will take case sensitive. అంటే స్మాల్ ఉన్నా క్యాపిటల్ ఉన్నా ఏదిన్నా అది రీప్లేస్ చేసేస్తుంది ఈ నేమ్ తో. ఓకేనా? బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ గివ్ ఐ ఫర్ దిస్ ఐ, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్? ఇక్కడ రెండు ఐలు ఉన్నాయి, ఇది వేరే ఐ, ఇది వేరే ఐ. సో ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ దిస్ ఐ. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ గివ్ దిస్ ఐ, ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వర్డ్. అంటే నువ్వు ఏ వర్డ్ ఇస్తే అదే రిప్లేస్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు అమర్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ ఉందనుకో, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ మై ఫైల్ ఐ హ్యావ్ అమర్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్, ఇట్ వోంట్ టచ్ దట్ అమర్, ఓన్లీ స్మాల్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన కీవర్డ్ ఉంటేనే రిప్లేస్ చేస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐ. ఓకే, సో G means global, I means case insensitive. I hope you understood now. Okay, so this is about sed command. What is the difference between sed and sed?
Amar, sorry. Here, move command also we can use the rename the same name, right? So we can use the Amar with Umar or something.
That is to change the name of the file. Okay,
Okay.
now but here we are changing the content of the file.
Okay. Okay.
ఫైల్ లోపల ఉన్న డేటా చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు ఇక్కడ. రీనేమింగ్,
Oh.
రైట్, సెర్చ్ అండ్ రిప్లేస్. నువ్వు ఒక ఫైల్ ఓపెన్ చేసి అందులో ఉన్న అమర్ని ఉమర్ చేస్తున్నావు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఫైల్ నేమ్.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
not to rename the file.
Okay.
Okay.
Total content we are changing. Okay.
Inside file. But when it
Okay.
comes to MV command, okay,
Okay.
yeah, so it is renaming the file actually. Okay, so just a
Okay.
minute, just a minute. Just a minute, guys.
Hi, Amar.
Yeah, hi Vaishnavi.
Hi. Did we miss like yesterday's class too?
Yeah, actually, I'm sorry for that. Because of this group name different, I missed your group actually. Okay.
Yeah, that's the reason I've texted you regarding group name. Do you remember?
Yes, I'm sorry for that.
Yeah.
I will talk to Santosh actually. I will change the name because
Okay.
generally all my groups will be similar names. So generally there I used to post my uh, details and all. Okay, so because of this name change, it's a different name. So I missed this group actually. I forgot. This is the first time like with a different group name. That's the reason. Somewhere I
Oh,
missed.
okay.
I'm extremely sorry
Yeah.
for that.
That's
Yeah,
okay. Yeah. Can you, after like making sure with Santosh, can you post the yesterday's recording to in this
yes,
group?
definitely. In the group itself, I will do that. I'll change the
Okay.
name of the group also.
Okay, Amar. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm back. So, so just I'm recalling here for just so who joined. So, guys, I'm explaining about the Linux commands only. We have few commands like these commands. These are called as text processing tools. Okay, these are also Linux commands only. Okay, but before proceeding with shell script, so we have to go through with these commands. Okay, so I'll give you just sorry guys, sorry for the guys who already done with this. I'm just giving um, review. Okay, recalling these things. So generally, find command means so Vaishnavi assume that you have a file name, but you don't know where it is in entire system. Okay, so in that case, I want to search the file. So that is one scenario. Or someone requested you, hey Amar, something I need in since last 2 days, how many files are modified? Or else I want to find out all .txt files. Okay, now in that case, find is the correct command by using find command. So like Windows, do you know search command? Generally, if you don't know file name, I mean, you know file, but where it is, you don't know. Then what you will do? Search command, right? Same. Find is similar to that. So by using find, you can find out the files and folders. But here options are different. Okay, so find the folder name in which folder you want. If you know particular folder like etc, under that you have number of files. Okay, now number of folders again, subfolders. In that subfolder, you don't know where it is. So I'll give slash etc. And or else if you don't know anything, even which folder also you don't know, direct slash mean entire system. Okay, then hyphen name, the file name of the uh, name of the file. Or example, it is something extension. So I don't know the file name, but all star is nothing but all. So all.txt file or else or all XLS extension file. So here this option is very important. Okay, now so we have number of options like hyphen user అంటే ఏంటి అమర్ యూజర్ ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ అమర్ ఓన్డ్ ఫైల్స్ I want to find out. Okay, now same find slash I mean where you want to search in which folder and hyphen user అమర్ అంటే ఏంటి అమర్ ఓన్డ్ ఫైల్స్ అన్ని చూపిస్తుంది. Like this we have number of options. Okay, na for example hyphen perm. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ hyphen perm అంటే 666 ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ మొత్తం చూపిస్తుంది అట్లా. సో దే బేస్డ్ ఆన్ లొకేషన్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ సైజ్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ టైమ్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ పర్మిషన్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఓనర్షిప్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఫైల్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్. సో ఎనీవే యూ కెన్ సెర్చ్ యువర్ ఫైల్స్ బై యూజింగ్ ఫైండ్. ఓకే, సో ఫర్ మోర్ డీటెయిల్స్ ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ yesterday's video. I'm sorry, extremely sorry, like I missed your group. Okay, next grep command. Generally to search the content. Example, here I have a website. Okay, something iciicibank.com. Okay, some website is there. So to search the things, what you will do? You will use Control F command, right? Control F. So from file or any browser, you want to search some keyword. Example, I want to search bills. Okay, so bills అనే keyword ని నేను search చేయాలి. అప్పుడు so what I will do, I'll use Control F. Same concept. So in Linux, grep is the command to search the keyword. ఏదైనా file లో, so example, I have a file called file2. So in file2, I want to search a keyword. Amar అనే keyword search చేయాలి. File లోపల. In file2, inside file2. So then grep is the command. It will show all the lines. Example, ఒక ఏదైనా command ఉంది. So from any command, I want to find out the output. Okay, so in that case, grep will be useful. ఏదైనా command నుంచి కానీ file నుంచి కానీ output లో, from that output or file output, I want to search a keyword. Then I will use grep. Okay, what is the difference between grep and find command? Grep is to search the keyword inside the file or inside the output, whereas grep find command to search the files and folders. Okay, that is the difference. Now head command. From any output, example, I have ps-ef command. Okay, what is ps-ef command? It is to search the process. It will list the process. So here there is a symbol called pipe symbol, guys. Pipe అనే symbol ఏం చేస్తుందంటే, generally when you run any command, where you will get the outputs into the screen, right? But what I can do, I can send that output into the second command. Okay, na. So here head command. What is head command means? It will show you మీకు ఎన్ని లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్పుట్ కావాలంటే అన్ని లైన్సే చూడొచ్చు. Example, in this command, if I run this command, minimum I will get 20-30 lines. It will show all the process list. Okay, from that list I want to see only 10 lines, only 1 line, only 5 lines. It doesn't matter, a command అనే కావచ్చు. From any file, from any command, I want to see only 10 lines. Then head is the command. First 10 lines, first 5 lines, first 2 lines, first 1 line. Okay, head is the command. Then next tail also there, similar to head. Head అంటే ఏంటి? First 10, first 5, first 2. Whereas tail command will show you last 10 lines, last 5 lines. నీ requirement అది. If at all you require only last 10, you know that already last 10 lines has my answer, my requirement. So go with tail command from the output. First type your command, then pipe symbol, then tail hyphen and 10. Okay, so that's what tail command. As name states, sort command means sorting the file. So ఒక file లో names ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, inside a file I have number of names. I want to sort them name wise, alphabet. Okay, na ascending order. Then I can go with sort command. Even for numbers also it works. Same unique command. Duplicates remove చేస్తుంది. By using unique, we can remove the duplicates. Okay, so like this is what till now I explained. And now sed command I explained. It is to search and replace. So generally in Windows, to search and replace we use Control R, right? ఫైల్ లోపల కంట్రోల్ ఆర్ వాడతాం, సెర్చ్ చేసి రీప్లేస్ చేస్తుంది. సో హియర్ సెడ్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్. Without opening the file, we can remove the we can replace the words. So see here in this case, Amar word is replaced with Umar. Example, in this file లోపల replace అయిపోతుంది. So this is what I explained till now. Okay, So now the next command, please watch again this recordings. I will send you. I'll talk to Santosh also regarding this. Okay. So next WC command, guys. So what is WC command? So guys, what is WC command means? Word count. Okay, now if at all any output from any output, you want to search the, you want to count the number of lines. Example, what is this command, guys? The command enti? What is the purpose of this command?
To install the
List
package.
the install.
Yes, it will list all installed packages. Okay, na? All installed packages it will show you. Now someone requested you. Can you please count them? If I count how much time it will take, so basically each line is one word, no space kada. If I count the number of lines, I will get number of packages also. Okay na? So I no need to count manually like this. So instead of that, what I can do? RPM hyphen QA pipe symbol. So guys, ఈ symbol ni pipe symbol అంటాం. Guys, we call this pipe symbol as a pipe symbol. Okay. ఈ pipe symbol ఏం చేస్తుందంటే, what this pipe symbol will do? Any command output. General గా ఏదైనా command run చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? If I run any command, what will happen, guys? ఏదైనా command, any command, if I run any command, what will happen? You will get the output into the screen, right? But I want to perform something on top of the output, like I want to search something. So grep is the command, grep docker. If docker is there, it will show you ఆ లైన్ చూపిస్తుంది ఈ అవుట్పుట్ లో. So any command output, if I don't want to see into the screen, I want to perform some action on top of the output, like searching, replacing, or maybe only first 10 lines, only last 10 lines, only word count. So I want to find out the number of lines in this output. Okay, simple. What I will do? Pipe symbol WC. So WC stands for word count. Okay, na. So word count. See, guys. Okay. So 451 is lines. This one is words. This one is character. Do you know why it is showing both same? Words, lines same చూపిస్తుంది. ఎందుకు? What is the reason? Why it is showing both same, guys? ఈ అవుట్పుట్ లో ఎందుకు రెండు సేమ్ చూపిస్తుంది? Because here each line is one word. See, there is no space. The package names అన్నమాట ఇవన్నీ. These are package names. There is no space. It's not a sentence. It's a word only. ప్రతి లైన్ ఒకటే word ఉంది. That's the reason it is showing lines and words same. Now example, I want to see from this. What is ps-f command, guys? What it does?
It will give the status of the running process.
Process. So I want to see how many process I have. ఇప్పుడు జనరల్ గా ps-ef లో ఏం చూపిస్తుంది? What it shows in ps-ef, it will show all process. Guys, it will show all process. So each line is one process. See here, ప్రతి లైన్ ఒక ప్రాసెసే కదా. So I want to count the number of process. What I does? So I don't need to count manually. Simple. Send that output to the WC command. Simple. So it is. So how many lines I have total? Guys, 97 lines. That means how many process I have? Around
90s.
97 process. సో నువ్వు ఏ అవుట్పుట్ నుంచైనా ఇలా కౌంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు వర్డ్స్ని. You can count the number of words, number of lines. This is number of line, this is number of words, this is number of characters. Okay, so like this. This is about the WC command. Yeah, write down. And here I have few tasks. With sed command. Okay, with sed you can do this, guys. For example, I have a file. In that file, I have some empty lines also, blank lines. I want to remove them. With sed command, you can do this. Okay, so next. Replace Amar keyword where Pradeep keyword is there. Did you understand this question, guys? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా నీకు? Guys, replace Amar keyword with Umar where Pradeep keyword is there. ఏ లైన్ లో అయితే Pradeep and Amar both together is there, replace Amar with Umar. అంటే 2 కండిషన్స్ ఇస్తున్నాయి ఇక్కడ, 1 కండిషన్ కాదు. ఫస్ట్ మై కండిషన్ is find out the Pradeep keyword. Pradeep keywords ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయో వెతుక్కోవాలి ఫస్ట్. ఆ లైన్ లో అమర్ ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేసి రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, గైస్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్. సో 2 conditions I am giving here. Sed command, SED command. By using SED, you can do this. Okay. So next, WC. So guys, make sure that everybody go through with these commands number of times. Without these commands, you can't write down shell script. In your shell script, we use this only. Can you please copy and paste it into the group chat?
Amar, small request.
Yes.
At the end of this shell scripting, we will be able to receive this notepad complete, right? Like this notepad
Oh.
has all running notes, right?
Yes, you will. I will send.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So Avinash, make sure that you create these notes in single notes only. Don't create every day new notes. Okay.
Ah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is how. Okay, make sure that, guys, every day practice more. After the class, go with again examples also. Find example. Yesterday I showed you, right? Find example, grep example, then head example, tail example. Compulsory to get more clarity and to get to understand more things without fail. Okay. Yeah, so I think it's enough for today. Then we'll make it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.